win. Just believe.
Gist choked. If you're new elder here, subscribe. Both me and Tony Elder, drop a like. Congratulations to Verydarkman as he just acquires a new Toyota Land Cruiser 2025. Make I no waste your time, watch yourself. Yeah, oh, you know they do advert, you know, like the camera. Just listen. No need for receipt. Three things wey we go talk about. You hear am so? First, he say no need for receipt. Calm down, because a lot of people dey attack VDM now on all social media platforms, especially Twitter, X. They dey attack am say Burna Boy just gift am, not gift am. Burna Boy just sent 140 million to his NGO, and about a couple of months ago, Don Jazzy bin send am about 100 million. So people dey add those money together, that's 240 million. Then other small small money wey people dey give am, they say na so e take gather money to buy this car. It's like dis people no really understand BDM. But notice wetin he talk for this video. He say no need for receipt. One, keep that in mind. He went on. One good thing say he doesn't take alcohol. Well, I don't know. Probably he actually thought he takes alcohol. Say he doesn't take alcohol. He went for that to say there's no need for all this football, all this thing. So we go wait first. After some couple of months, if VDM no return this vehicle, then we go know yes, na VDM truly get the vehicle. But as for me, I doubt that VDM will splash 278 million. Let's see the receipt. But we'll talk about this pastor later on. I doubt say VDM will splash all those money on. See the receipt. See the receipt. Yeah. 278M. I doubt say VDM will splash that huge amount of money for vehicle. You know say e bin do related, then they come give am this car. This car wey dem dash am join the car wey im buy. They say na 2020, na 25 million naira car, and this car na 2020 model Toyota. So you can imagine, you buy one, they give am another. More check comment. Than before you say 90% of people that run NGO, the people they accuse am say na NGO money to go buy am. 90% of people that run NGO are doing it for their own benefit. What do you think? This other person say Justin. Apparently, as VDM was about to leave the car lot after purchasing his Land Cruiser, the man arrived in a 2020 Toyota Camry worth 25 million naira, and he said he was instructed by his boss to give him that car. This Abbas says Very Dark Man has bought a brand new Toyota Land Cruiser 300 series VXR for 278 million. Sheon say since Burna Boy pays VDM 140M, he never rests on dragging Wizkid. Money is truly the root of evil. There are a lot of people they accuse am. This one say Verydarkman acquires. A lot of people dey drag am, like people dey drag am online. People dey say na NGO money na im use. Wetin you think? You fit say na NGO money VDM touch? Personally for me, I know say VDM no go ever touch dat NGO money for anything. Because you know say no. It's like somebody, it's like you hear me person, nah, you no go ever try that, touch that. I go fit vouch for that one. But people change, but no, nothing. So congratulations to him. Type congratulations for VDM in the comment section. Let me know what you think. You think say, do you have the belief say you have the belief say that NGO money take by am, or this guy dey really dey in? If you dey follow VDM well, you go notice some days ago he said social media platform sent him about 300 million. So he dey make him own money from creating content only. Then he also get other things. And apart from that one, for the kind good heart wey he get, some cases wey e go do, people dey go just drop something for am, although say e dey reject am. Ismail say Don Jazzy dropped 100 million for NGO. Burna Boy dropped 140M for NGO. Verydarkman broadcast worth over 240M, about 278 million. That basically is not entirely correct. So people dey drag and say Burna Boy send am money, and from that Burna Boy money, na e take buy the vehicle. Wetin you think? Then apart from that, make we check out this pastor. If you dey follow this pastor already, you don hear of Pastor Chris, Pastor Kingsley. Him dey teach especially about marriage, relationship. More watch.
For God so loved the world that he gave his only Son, that whoever believes in him shall not perish but have eternal life.
D-D-I-D. Father, Son, Spirit, got the hands on me. 1, 2, 3.
You dey see am.
Jesus said.
You dey see am. So Pastor Kingsley don come outside come tattoo himself, and because of that one, people don dey drag this pastor online. A lot of people begin drag am say, you claim to be pastor, yet you dey put tattoo for your body. What kind of pastor are you? Wetin you think about this matter? You fit say pastors or men of God say am no suppose dey tattoo themselves, although people say na scripture na im tattoo for im body. People dey quote some scripture, Leviticus. A clergyman, Kingsley Okonkwo, causes a step after getting a tattoo on his arm. Yeah. Na John 3 verse 16. This is not in. A lot of people, wetin you think about this matter? You think say a clergyman no suppose get tattoo for im body? And also no forget to let me know wetin you think about VDM matter. You think say na NGO money na VDM take acquire the vehicle, or na im own money? If na im own money, where you fit say e dey earn those money from? Yeah, because people dey say they never see am dey do business apart from the social media this thing. Because people, if other people with smaller account for social media, they even acquire much more expensive car, 300 million, 400 million, 500 million. Which you think say VDM no supposed to afford such a vehicle? First, let me know your thoughts, but I believe for sure that money is not NGO money. VDM cannot steal. Now, you need to treat person. If you dey follow am well, and from the personality, but you think say he go surely return this car just as he do that the way he drive Tesla. People come dey say, like say he don buy the Tesla, come later go return the Tesla. Let me know what you think for the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I'll see you for the next story. Bye bye.